Well, I am obviously humble that Mrs. Onona Clayton would think of a little peasant peon from Warrenton, Georgia, a little fellow who grew up picking cotton and decided that I would listen to the message of Hosea Williams and Ralph David Abernathy, Joseph Lowry, Dr. King, and others, and all of a sudden I get swept up in the Civil Rights Revolution, and she just happened to take note of me. I didn't realize she had been watching me all the years at SCLC, but I'm obviously humbled by the opportunity to be here and to be among these giants. I don't feel that I deserve it because I feel that the work that we do should not be based on honors or accolades, but it ought to be based on your commitment to the struggle. But I'm honored that Miss Clayton would think of me, and I'm honored that children of the future will walk through this pathway and see my name on footprints along with so many of the giants from our history. So it's a humbling experience.
You have, it's been magnificent that you have stayed in the struggle. Different people left, Jose died, Dr. King was killed, and you're still here. You're still moving on.
Well, God has blessed me with good health and good support. I never say that I do anything alone, because anytime you try to claim credit for yourself, I think that diminishes the impact of your service. So it's really been a team effort. It's a collective kind of an effort on the part of myself and many others. We work as a team. And I never ever deserve to receive anything singularly. Whatever I receive, I think it should be shared with others, because I don't do anything alone. And I always say that it's a team effort, and those who support the work that we do, and those who protect your back, those who give you the foundation to do this work, they should be included in any ceremony, any accolades. And so I'm humbled to be here to represent not only Gabio, but many veterans of SCLC and the NAACP, Rainbow Push Coalition, and many unsung heroes of the Civil Rights Movement that no one ever knows of their contributions, like the Richard Turners of Sandersville, Georgia, that you've written about in the Georgia Informer. People like him, the unsung heroes who made it possible for Martin Luther King Jr., Ralph Abernathy, Hosea Williams, and all these great giants to be superstars globally. Were it not for these unnamed unsung heroes, most of these great giants that are planted out here on this sidewalk today would not be here.
All right, thank you very much.